Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off the color filter shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on advanced settings and then click on accessibility button. Now here click on select actions and then scroll down, and here you will see a color filter option. So if you want to turn on the color filter shortcut, then tap on color filter to select it, and after selecting, the color filter shortcut will be turned on. And if you want to turn off this color filter shortcut, then tap on color filter again to deselect it, and after deselecting, the color filter shortcut will be turned off. So that's how you can turn on or turn off the color filter shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.